Hey guys, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just another review guy, and on today's review, we're checking out Sonax Wheel Cleaner Plus. So this is their new formula found on Amazon. Links in the description below. This is Sonax Wheel Cleaner with the changing color technology, similar to Adam's Wheel Cleaner, which Adam's is an amazing wheel cleaner. A viewer told me I should try this product, so I'm going to try to find who that was and put them somewhere here. Give them a little shout out. Thanks for the idea. I appreciate it. So the Wheel Cleaner Plus is a fast, strong, acid-free cleaner. Requires little to no agitation, which in all my wheel testing we know that's not necessarily true. But what we're going to do is we're going to spray this cleaner on my Z4, which has pretty clean wheels, so it's more of a maintenance clean. We'll pre-rinse the wheel, we'll spray it on, we'll let it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes, see how much it can turn purple. I don't see it turning that purple, the wheel's not that dirty. And then we'll simply pressure wash it off. We're not going to be agitating the wheel in any way in this video, because we all know that agitating is how you actually get your wheels clean. So what we're looking at is, can we spray this before a car show and spray it off really quick and hit the road, right? That's what we're looking at doing. We're not trying to spend an hour to clean a wheel or a half hour to clean a wheel. So we're going to do it on my Z4 that drives very limited right now. And then we can also try it on my other car that has been sitting, and those wheels are a little bit more dirty. Those will require a little bit of agitation to get completely clean, but it'd be a good test on the product to see if we can just spray and go. Now normally I would try this product on my work truck, my Ford. I did it on one of my videos and the wheels are trashed, right guys? I mean, it's a freaking work truck. It's been painted, spray painted black and whatever. And some guy's like, what kind of shit is this? All you showed me was it doesn't clean your fucking wheel. Yeah, bro. What I was actually showing you is that you just can't spray and go like spray and wash, right? So I'm not going to spray the truck tire this time or the wheel. I have another product that we will try in the future from Chemical Guys. It's an actual paste that you can apply to your wheel. Kind of gives it a coating so it doesn't hold as much brake dust. I think that truck would be a good test for that product, especially with winter coming, the snow and the salt on the road, and all the other stuff they're going to put down for the winter. So guys, I'm running out of daylight, and y'all don't need a bunch of mumble jumble on a review video. Let's go ahead and spray this on the wheel. Now this does require you to do it on cool, dry wheels. So after I pre-rinse, I will blow it off with my leaf blower. It won't be completely dry because I'm not going to dry a wheel that hasn't been cleaned with a microfiber towel. It might scratch the rims. Not that it matters on my 20-year-old car, but it's not something you would commonly do anyway. And we'll see how this shit works. This is on Amazon. I think I paid 24 bucks for it. Links in the description. So let's get on with the wheel cleaning. Alright guys, so as you can see, this has kind of a gel-like consistency. It's not really like thick gel, but it's more a little bit thicker, and it kind of clings to the wheel to help it clean and soak into the iron and help remove those deposits. As you can see, there's not much purple. There's a little bit on the lug nuts. Let's see if we can get in there and show you. A little bit right there. Like I said, these wheels are pretty clean since I do quite a few reviews on cleaning stuff. Inside the drum or inside the wheels, they're not perfectly clean, of course, but they're a lot cleaner than most of my other cars. Alright guys, let's go ahead and watch this dwell for a few minutes and see what happens. Alright guys, it's been about 4 minutes, and if you can see, there's purple coming off the wheel as it's done its job for the last 3 to 5 minutes. And down here is a little stream of purple goodness flowing away from the wheel. Let's go and pressure wash this off, wipe it down with a white towel, and see how well it cleans. Alright guys, here's the white towel that I'm going to use to wipe the face of the wheel off. I'm not going to do the inside of the wheel or behind, the back side of it, because I didn't spray that. Just going to do the face. We'll see how much dirt comes off of the wheel with this white rag. Alright guys, well, it's not scientific, but here's the rag. A little bit of dirt coming off the wheel. That's one side here. Here's the other side, because I'm not a professional tire cleaner, but I try to use mainly just one side to clean the face of the wheel. So that's all the dirt that wiping it off took off. Alright guys, so the second wheel that I'm going to try this cleaner on is this rear wheel here. This car doesn't get driven hardly ever. Last time it was driven was about a month ago. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt on the wheel. It's not clean at all. We're going to do the same process, except I'm not going to rinse off the wheel. I'm just going to spray it right on the wheel, and we'll let it dwell, and we'll spray it off, and we'll see if there's a difference. I'm not going to do a wipe down test. Just spray and go. Alright guys, it's been a little over 5 minutes since we've let it dwell. Let's take a close-up look and see if we can see all that purple goodness coming off the wheel. So we know that the product's breaking down the iron and gunk on the wheel, pulling it off, turning it purple. Pretty happy with this Sonax wheel cleaner so far, just like the Adams. Let's go ahead and pressure wash it off. Alright guys, so try to get a little view of the ground so you can see all the purple running on off the wheel. So this pressure washer is just an electric Ryobi 1600 PSI pressure washer. I'll be getting a bigger electric one shortly, but alright guys, got the wheel washed off. I always like to over rinse. Something just satisfying about rinsing wheels. So it got a lot of stuff off, but it didn't get all of the fine dirt off, of course. But we knew it wouldn't. We didn't agitate, we didn't scrub it, we didn't wipe it down. We just sprayed and go. So guys, that was the Sonax Wheel Cleaner. Let's see this car rolling by. Got a little Civic. I used to have one of those. That thing got stolen quicker than I can't even think of how fast it got stolen. Sonax Wheel Cleaner Plus. This is the new stuff out. Well, probably been out for a couple years, but this is what I was recommended by one of the viewers to try. This is a fast, strong, and acid-free cleaner. Works very well. I like the color changing technology in these cleaners when you can actually see it doing its job. What do I think about it? I think it works great. I think it's a great maintenance cleaner. It actually did a pretty good job on my wheel that was already clean. And on this one, it took quite a bit of stuff off as well. On the last wheel you just watched on this BMW that doesn't drive very often. Doesn't smell the greatest, but who cares? Not all things in life smell great. Some things don't smell that great, but they're amazing. So, links in the description below on Amazon to pick yourself up a bottle. It's 24 bucks. When I ordered this, my local warehouse and Amazon had it. I had it the next morning by 9 a.m. So pretty fast delivery. How does it measure up to Adams? I think Adams and Sonax are pretty similar. They both did a banging job cleaning. You know, way better than the chemical guys Diablo cleaner. That stuff doesn't clean very well at all. I think it's mainly a maintenance cleaner. But this review is about the Sonax. So guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the section below on which wheel cleaner I should try next. And I'll buy it and I'll try it. And then as soon as I get enough cleaners, we'll do a heads up. We'll try all of them, see how they all work together or against each other. As always, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe for more content. And as always, keep on washing your car. Peace.